Even if you have multiple SD cards, taking a backup of this SD card is very important. And the best way to take a backup is to put all of its data in an external hard disk. But how do we do that without a laptop? For that, we'll need a USB hub, any Android phone, and a power bank. Why we'll need a power bank? I'll explain later. The phone I will be using is a Samsung S20 FE. The USB hub is from Amazon Basics. I bought it for 1200 rupees from Amazon. It has all the necessary ports like SD card slot, a USB port, and a Type C port. Let me start with inserting the SD card in the USB hub, and then the external hard disk in any of the available USB ports. Before connecting it to the mobile phone, I'll connect it to a power bank. The reason being, sometimes the mobile might not provide enough power for the hard disk to function properly. So I've connected it to an external power source, this time it being a power bank. As you can see, the LED has started. That means the external hard disk is receiving power. Now, after doing all this, I'll connect the USB hub to a phone. As you can see, already the storages are being detected. The 58 GB storage is the SD card, and the 1 TB storage is the external hard disk. I'll just show you a demo. This is a 24 MB file, a video file. I'll copy it to the hard disk from the SD card. And as you can see, the transfer is pretty fast. It might take some time for a data of 30 or 40 GBs, but yes, it works fine. Instead of laptop, this is the best possible combination that I've found. This setup will also work in any of the Android phones. And there you go, the transfer is complete. After transferring all your files, make sure to unmount all the USB storages, just to be sure that there is no corruption. And there we go. Now we can eject and remove the power source, and that's it. The transfer is complete.